This villa makes an immediate impression through its scale and positioning. You have an oversized private pool, a dedicated gazebo, and direct fairway views. It is an expansive outdoor setup defined by mature landscaping that keeps the entire area private. Step inside to the main living area. The high ceilings and natural light create a massive sense of volume, connecting the lounge and the kitchen into one bright, cohesive space. The entire architectural design is built to feel open and deeply connected to the surroundings. The residence offers 5 full bedrooms. Each one serves as a private suite with its own bathroom. These are generous, well-appointed spaces, with select bathrooms featuring bathtubs for a more refined residential feel. The second story expands the layout even further. You have a secondary lounge area that overlooks the pool and the outdoor entertaining space. From this elevation, the views of the golf course and the property's architectural volume are even more impressive. The home is situated within a gated enclave with managed access and constant monitoring. Living here gives you access to its facilities. You have the club's fairways and the private beach club just a short distance away, all included with the property. This is a rare find for a high-end investment or a family home. It is currently available for both sale and rent. Check the description for the full specs and contact information to schedule a tour.